In this final section of my 5-part series, I'm gonna show you how to make a wedding wreath for the front door or the church. Hey guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFT. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. This video is the final part of my 5-part series of how to make your wedding flowers. If you missed the last 4 videos, you can find the links to them in the descriptions below. Water source is extremely important for outdoor wedding. When you have a long day for a wedding ceremony and receptions, small water tube and chicken wire is not going to cut it. Especially for the outdoor wedding wreath, I'm sure you don't want an angry bride calling you at the wedding date and said, "My flowers are dying." So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Oasis paper mache wreath to make a full and lush looking wedding wreath for the wedding ceremony or bridal shower. In the market, there are many different wreath bases. For examples, like single wire wreath base, double wire base, Oasis wreath, or natural wreath. So which one is the best for the outdoor wedding? Before we answer these questions, few things we need to consider. What are the weather conditions? How long is the ceremony? Is it a 2-hour wedding or a whole day wedding? Do they need to transport it from site to site? In my opinion, if it's for a 2-hour wedding with long-lasting greenery and flowers, a single wire wreath base with chicken wire and water tube is okay. But if it's for the whole day outdoor hot summer wedding, I will highly recommend using something can provide more water source, like Oasis paper mache. Also, if you want a fuller wreath or you want to add heavy products, this is just gonna support it better. Okay, without any further delay, let's move on to the project. I hope that you guys found value in these videos. If you did, please be sure you give it a like. If you want to check out other part of the wedding videos, I will be sure to put a link on the description or have a card pop up here. Let me know if you have any question in the comments below. I love to share all the information and knowledge I have to help you to make a better wedding design. Have I ever mentioned that I am part of the Floriology NOW professional online classes? If you want to dive deeper into the floral design and how you can just do it with your phone or your tablet, make sure you check out our full in-depth online classes. I will be sure to put a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I have a tons of other videos up and in the works already to help you create better floral art, along with easy and simple techniques. If you want to catch them when they drop, make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much again for watching. See you on my next video.